Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover Project 9 of the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit Light Activated Alarm. How to make a light activated alarm using the Microbit. The light sensor on the Microbit detects light intensity. In this project, we will create a Microbit alarm to see how it works. It will beep and vibrate when it detects that the light exceeds a preset value. Here we need to add a new module, the Crowtail vibration motor, which is a small motor module mainly used to provide vibration feedback in electronic projects. It integrates a simple motor control interface and is ideal for beginners and developers to use in prototyping and is commonly used for functions such as reminders, notifications, or vibration interactions. Next, we start writing the program. Open the MakeCode programming interface. First, initialize the variables. Create a variable value to store the light threshold and set it to 50. Create variable I to store the number of times button A is pressed. Then create variable read to store the current light value. Using the if block, if the current light value is greater than the set value, 50, then the buzzer and vibration motor will be turned on, otherwise they will be turned off. Finally, a program to stop the alarm by pressing a button. The program is controlled using button AI by pressing button A once. The variable I is increased by 1 and the number of keystrokes is displayed. When I equals 3, the alarm stops, buzzer and motor turn off. The program is written. Let's download the program to Microbit and test it in a bright place to see how the alarm works. You can also make your own light-activated alarm clock that wakes you up when the light reaches a set value. I hope you learned how to use light sensors and control motors and buzzers with this project. We will continue to explore more Microbit fun projects next time. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We'll see you in the next installment. Thank you.